Hello viewer, welcome back to my channel. Today we are discuss about passive income. So today we are discuss about 4 best site passive income. So these days it seems like everyone is looking to start a side hustle for passive income. And for good reason, building stream of passive income can help you reach your financial goals much faster than relying solely on paychecks from your 9 to 5 job. Earning passive income allows you to stop trading your time for dollars and start building real wealth. Why? Because the money you earn will no longer be limited by how many hours you work. Of course, there is no such thing as purely passive income. In most cases, developing a passive income stream actually requires quite a bit of upfront work. However, after your initially investment of time or money, the system you set up can start earning you money while you sleep. So, but how do you create passive income? Here are 4 of the best sites for passive income that will help you start earning money while you sleep. So, our first site is start start grow and monetize a blog. So our first passive income side is start grow and monetize a blog. Blogging has changed a lot over the course of the last decade. No longer simply places to share recipes and family vacation stories, blogs are one of the best places for people to find the information they need, and thus one of the best way for you to start earning passive income. Now our second passive income side is create an online course. Create an online course. Create an online course. If your online education has completely transformed the learning landscape in recent years, now you can find digital course on practically any topic from indoor gardening to accounting and even coding. For that reason, creating an online course is a great site for people looking to make passive income. So, have you mastered a certain area of your life that people are always asking you about? Chances are you have some level of expertise that you can build a course around. Our our third side is start a YouTube channel. Start start a YouTube start a YouTube channel. Recently, a YouTube channel generates passive income through advertisement plays on your video. While it does take some time to get monetized on YouTube, If you put in consistent effort, you can eventually build up a loyal subscriber base. Just like with blogging, it helps to choose a specific niche rather than creating content that does not have a consistent theme. If people stumble across one of your videos and click through to your channel, they will be expecting to see more videos on similar topics. Therefore, narrowing your focus will help your audience know what to expect from you and increase their chances of subscribing. So, you can create a YouTube channel on particularly any topic. After you have gained your first 1000 subscriber and have generate at least 4000 hours of watch time, your channel will be monetized. In other words, you will start earning money from advertisement every time someone watches one of your videos. Our fourth side is start a podcast. Start a podcast. Here you can further repurpose the content you have created for your blog or YouTube channel by starting a podcast. Or you can focus solely on podcasting as a side hustle for passive income. Platform like Anchor make it simple for anyone to set up a podcast. However, you will want to make sure you have an adequate microphone and a quiet place to record your podcast episodes. How can you make passive income from podcasting? The most common way to monetize a podcast is through sponsorships. After you have attached an audience, companies may start to approach you and ask you to advertise their products during your show. A quicker path to monetization of your podcast is to post your episodes on YouTube as well. This will expose your podcast to a large audience and you will be able to earn money from the ads on your videos. So, if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and like, comment, share my videos with your family and friends. Thank you so much.